Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Choice Reviews for this week's review. 2 weeks ago we did the unboxing of the TaoTronics noise cancelling headphones, the 2019 version. They're the TT-BH060 model. We did the unboxing and I told you guys 2 weeks from then we would do the review. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So go ahead and stick around after the amazing intro. Here you go. What's going on, everyone? This is Robert with Easy Choice Reviews. 2 weeks ago we did the unboxing of the TaoTronics noise cancelling headphones. They just came out in January, so today we're going to do the review of those headphones. So in this review we're going to tell you what we think about the actual headphones after using them for 2 weeks. Okay, let's start off with a few pros. I'm going to have to say customer service for me is a very large decision factor in some of the products that I buy. TaoTronics has excellent customer service. I've had to use them a couple of times. Products break every day. Nobody likes to have issues with their products, but from time to time it does happen, and that's with any of the products that you're going to buy. TVs, radios, headsets, that kind of thing. And the more products you buy, you're going to run into some type of issue at some point. So even well-known products, quality products, they have a manufacturing flaw sometimes, and things happen. I've had a couple of sets of headphones from them. Doesn't mean they're poor quality, because I think they're really good quality. In fact, I'm probably a lot rougher on headphones than most people. There's a case, but I don't always use them. I just throw them on my desk and that kind of stuff. So half the time when they get broken, it's probably my fault. However, that being said, I send an email to their customer service or give them a phone call, and they send an RMA. We ship the product out, they ship a new one, and we don't ever have any issues. There's no problems with that, and it's a smooth system they have. So they're quick to respond, and I really like their customer service. The next selling point for these headphones to me is the price. 5 times cheaper than the new Bose headphones. That's a huge price difference. And like I said before, wondering if they were any quality close to the Bose, then it's well worth the price, especially for people that can't afford the Bose. So these headphones sell for $59 on Amazon, plus tax or shipping. If you got Prime, shipping is free. You cannot buy them on their website. If you go to try and buy them on their website, it will send you to Amazon. So I will put a link below to the Amazon. You can go ahead. It's not affiliated, just so you know. I don't have any affiliations. So go ahead and click on the link below in the description, and you can purchase those for yourself. I will say that from time to time, keep an eye out. They have discounts. I've seen 2 different discounts already, both worth $10, but sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. So just keep an eye out. Sometimes you might be able to get a good deal on them for about $50. So keep an eye on that. I want to say that the cushion is amazing. I mean, it's super soft. I wear these things all day long, whether I'm editing or I'm at work, listening to music all day. I'm at home watching movies on my computer, that kind of thing, or I'm traveling. I've done all sorts of things with these. They're super comfortable. I can wear them for a 10-hour day and I'm not hurting like I have with some headphones. So let's talk about the sound. The noise canceling is amazing on these. I've tried these everywhere. So I've tried these at the gym, I've tried these at home, I've tried these in stores, I've tried these by the freeway, I've also tried them by construction. They're amazing. I can't give them enough praise. To me, they're just as good as Bose for the noise canceling. And for the price point, you just can't beat these headphones. Now I will say that off of the noise canceling, they do let a lot of sound in. It almost sounds like a hum when you don't have them on. So I definitely prefer to have them on all the time. With the noise canceling off, they are very loud, actually, way too loud for me. I've got to turn them way down. The bass is really good. I think the Bose, when the noise canceling is off, I think the Bose has a little bit better bass, but they're still really good. Especially, like I said, for the money, I can't beat it. It's too loud for me, but I can turn it down and there's no issues with it. Now when you have the noise canceling on, then I think the sound is amazing. I think the bass is shallower. So for movies and things, the bass is great. It doesn't, for me, they don't overpower like the bass does when you don't have the noise canceling on. So that's a plus for me. Some people might like the bass more, but for me, I like a mellower bass. I do like bass, but I don't want it to be overpowering. Now these headphones have the 5.0 Bluetooth, which is better than the previous versions. The previous versions had a lot of complaints about audio lagging. So they fixed that with the 5.0 Bluetooth. I've tried them with numerous videos and TV shows, that kind of thing, and I have found no lagging whatsoever. It's actually pretty amazing. So I highly recommend these for anybody that has been looking for something to watch movies on or things like that, because there's no lag at all. Now, I want to get into one other thing that I see a lot of reviewers miss when they're doing their reviews on these headphones. And I don't know if it's just because other headphones don't offer it. I know Bose does, but I don't know if too many others do. But one thing that I see missed a lot is the phone calls. These headphones, they have a microphone built into them. They will take calls, and they're actually pretty amazing. I don't like the way that they sound from the caller's perspective if you do not have the noise canceling on. But if you have the noise canceling on, these are amazing for phone calls. I've had a number of calls on them, and the receiving party has no issues on them, and I can understand them greatly. Everybody on the other end says that the sound is perfect. They've even called somebody else with mine so that they can try that, and I can hear what it sounds on the other end, and it's amazing. It's like you were just talking on the phone. So for that part of it, I think it's under discussed. So I wanted to mention it because I don't hear it in a lot of reviews for these headphones, but the quality is great, like I said, for me. And it's very nice that what happens is you can be watching a movie or be watching music, and they can call, or you can receive a call. It will put your movie on pause or pause your music, and you can take the call. Same with calling out. You can call out and it'll pause the movie or pause the music, although you're probably already pausing it if you're making a phone call. I do want to say that there are a few flaws with this. One of them being the noise canceling. To turn it on, you've got to flip this button here. The problem is it works independent of turning them on and off, and actually you have to remember to flip that switch off when you're done using them and you power it off, because it will drain your battery if you have them on and you're not doing anything. So you want to keep in mind to flip that switch off when you're not using it, and that way it doesn't drain your battery down. I tend to use these with the noise canceling on all the time because I want to block everybody out, and I love the way they sound. So, but I do have to keep in mind that I have to shut it off every time. That being said, The battery is amazing on these. I used them once for an 18-hour day, and then the next day I used it for another 10 hours and left them on the entire time, and I mean, it's just amazing. So I do want to say, when you're connecting to multiple devices, like I connect to my phone, and then I connect to my Surface Pro, and then I connect to my work computer, the delay that it takes to connect to these devices is pretty large. If you're connecting to the same device over and over, it connects almost instantly, and it's pretty fast. But if you're switching between devices, you just have to give it that extra time to let it connect before it'll work for you. So my personal opinion, I think for the price, you just can't beat these. They're amazing sound, they're amazing quality, and they sound really good. I use them all the time, and I think they're going to be glued to my head because they're just amazing at blocking out sound and giving me that sound quality that I want from movies and from music. It does have an audio jack if you want to plug that in. Sometimes if I'm watching a movie on a plane with my kid, then I will have a splitter with an audio jack and plug 2 headphones in. These are great for that. They have this audio port right on the bottom here, and they come with a cable that you can use. So you can use a splitter and split sound that way still. You know, the other thing I like about them is they're not bulky. So when I put them on, there's not a lot of space in between here, which is great. The other thing that I really like is when I have my sunglasses on, this cushion kind of foams around it, almost like memory foam. So you don't lose a bunch of sound from that opening because it kind of seals around it, and you don't have that opening. It creates for better sound and also better for the noise canceling. So I thought that was really good because I have used some that when I have my sunglasses on, it creates a lot more noise. It doesn't do the noise canceling very well, that kind of thing. I hope you enjoyed this review. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're thinking about buying these or what your opinion is if you already have them. I would love to hear your comments. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe below and click the bell so you can get your future notifications. We do upload videos every Tuesday night at 10 p.m. Arizona time. You can also go ahead and join us on all our social media accounts linked below. I want to thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time.